Okay, in today's lesson, we are going to show how to hook up a potentiometer or code to potentiometer that we hooked up in our last video and have it display whatever the location of the potentiometer. So it's a very simple code, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by going the basic, and I'm just going to say show number. And I'll just put that in my forever loop. And it just says show number 0, which we don't really want, but you can see over here in the simulator that that's exactly what's happening. We don't want to show the number 0. We want to show the number that the potentiometer is turned to. Remember, it's variable, so the more you turn it, the higher the number gets. So if I come down here, scroll down to where it says pins, I'm going to come here and say analog. It's an analog sensor potentiometer. Pin 0 or P0. So now what I'm saying is whatever is plugged into pin 0, which was our potentiometer, you can see that back here. I have it plugged into port 0. Again, check out my video on how to hook this up before you do this. And so what will happen now is when I download this, I'm going to turn this all the way to one side. You'll see on the microbit video in the corner, maybe I can make this a little bit bigger, that the number 4 is being shown. But as I spin this, you'll see I'm at 147 or 146. I'll spin it some more. You'll see it's at 244. I spun it some more. Now it's at 420, 443. And you'll notice that it'll slightly adjust. That's not uncommon with a potentiometer. But if I spin it all the way to the top, 1, 0, 2, 3, so 1023. Right, so all the way to the top is 1023. So this potentiometer goes all the way from about 4 to 1023. And you kind of have to give it a second to read before it does that. So now it's at 4. If I spin it all the way, it goes all the way to 1023. And sometimes it takes a second to recalibrate because it's changing as the screen is shown. So that's how you hook up a potentiometer. Now, the cool thing is with this code is you can now have different things happen as a result of the of your code. So you could, potentially turn on LEDs or do other things as a result of the potentiometer being spun. Maybe change the color of your lights or something like that. Potentiometer.